Welcome to the 7th lesson of SmartKnitter. Knit Specification Level 1. Today we will be writing knit specs for a 7-gauge round neck set-in cardigan. There are 4 variations of cardigan in this lesson. The first one is a round neck cardigan, where the collarband covers the patch placket. We start with a round neck set-in sweater template. Check Placket tab in the General Info tab to enable the placket panel. Copy structure, tension, and density info from collarband to placket. Set measurements for front panel. Front panel chest width needs to be adjusted by placket height. Copy the measurement to sweep. Shoulder width needs to be adjusted by placket height as well. Copy the measurement to appropriate armhole segments. Repeat for neck width. Edit trim link segment for collarband. Select placket for collarband edge, as our collarband covers the placket. Edit trim link segment for placket. Edit knitting rules for collarband. Edit knitting rules for placket. We need to knit 2 pieces of this panel. Edit knitting rules for front panel. Make sure half panel option is checked and knit 2 pieces. Let's add markers for linking on front panel. Right-click on the placket seam segment on front panel, select Add Node on line, and click on the position where you want to add a marker. Right-click and exit. Right-click on node and select Set Node on Line Ratio 0.5. Right-click on Segment and select Change Marker to, and there is a list of ways we could pick from to alter the marker. Right-click and select Change Instruction from Trim. Position of the marker is then calculated from the placket seam. The second variation is a round neck cardigan, where the patch placket covers the collarband. Let's start with editing the trim link segment of the placket. Select collarband as placket edge. Double-check the collarband's trim link segment setting. Edit the knitting rules accordingly. The third variation is a round neck cardigan with welt placket. First, we hide the placket panel as the placket is now a part of the front panel. All related horizontal measurements should be adjusted by the placket height. Edit the trim link segment and remove the placket segment. Edit knitting rules for neckline. Edit knitting rules for collarband. The fourth variation is cardigan with zip opening. Right-click on blank space and select Add. Add vertical trim. This trim is used as the underwrap for sewing the zipper. Rename panel. Edit structure, tension and density info of the underwrap in General Info tab. Add trim link segment and set linking marker. Edit measurements for the underwrap. Edit knitting rules accordingly. We need to knit 2 pieces of this panel for both sides of the zipper. Edit the rib setting for the underwrap. This marks the end of this class. Thank you for watching.